AI automation isn't a future concept. It's already running behind the scenes of thousands of businesses, quietly, efficiently, and non-stop. From customer support to content creation to sales, automated systems are replacing repetitive human work every single day. In this video, we'll break down 3 real AI automation systems businesses are using right now, and how they work without constant human involvement. No hype, just systems. The first and most widely used system is AI-powered customer support. Instead of hiring large support teams, businesses now use AI chatbots and automated help desks to handle customer questions 24/7. These systems can answer frequently asked questions, process refunds or order tracking, route complex issues to humans only when needed. The key advantage is scale. An AI system doesn't get tired, it doesn't need breaks, and it can handle thousands of conversations at the same time. Once set up, this automation runs continuously with minimal oversight, saving companies time, money, and operational stress. This is one of the earliest and most profitable forms of AI automation in modern business. The second system is AI-driven content and marketing automation. This includes automated blog writing, social media, post-generation email marketing sequences, video scripting, and voiceovers. Instead of manually creating content every day, businesses design systems where AI generates content based on predefined rules. For example, a blog post published every week, emails sent automatically based on user behavior, social posts scheduled without manual input. The human role shifts from creator to system designer. Once the automation is live, content flows consistently without daily effort. This is why faceless brands and digital businesses are growing rapidly. They rely on systems, not constant manual work. The third system is AI-powered sales and lead automation. This system focuses on turning attention into revenue. AI tools can qualify leads automatically, respond to inquiries instantly, schedule appointments, send follow-up messages without human input. Instead of manually chasing prospects, the system handles communication until a decision is made. Businesses use this to increase conversion rates, reduce response times, eliminate repetitive sales tasks. This automation runs in the background, guiding users through a process, even while the business owner is offline. It's one of the strongest examples of income-generating automation. What all 3 systems have in common is simple. They replace repetitive human effort with automated processes. AI automation isn't about working harder, it's about building systems that work continuously. As technology improves, more businesses will shift toward automation-first models. Not because it's trendy, but because it's efficient. And understanding these systems is the first step toward building them. This channel breaks down how modern automation systems work, clearly and without noise. Subscribe to Automate IQ for more clean explanations of AI-powered business systems.